This is an SD70 ACE. It's a 4,300 horsepower diesel-electric locomotive. I'm Paul the Train Guy. Let's talk about it.
Nicknamed ACES for short, the SD70 ACE is among the most common diesel locomotives in North America, with 2,134 of them produced to date. My journey started at the largest model train exhibition in the world in Amherst, Massachusetts, where I met up with Chris from model train producer Broadway Limited to discuss their new ACE models. As someone who spent so much time around the real things, I was impressed with the accuracy and detail, so I decided to pick up a pair for myself. What sets these models apart is that they're die-cast as compared to the traditional plastic models, which also makes them a lot heavier, which also means that they'll have greater pulling power. So, my friends and I decided to go to our local model train club and put these engines to the test. For our first test, we put 2 ACES on a 36-car coal train and ran them up the mountain. 2 did it with no problem, so we put 1 engine on the same train and it pulled it with ease. Like most club layouts, there's a bunch of random cars clogging up the yard that nobody ever uses, so we decided to empty out the yard until the engine couldn't pull anymore. At 94 cars going up the mountain, the engine finally slipped. So we added a second engine and the pair made it up the mountain until we string-lined going around a curve. So the engines would pull it, but physics prevailed. We decided to add the second engine to the rear of the train. You see this happen all the time in real life, and even an engine in the middle. This eliminates stress on the couplers between cars so you can run longer trains, and the same theory held true on our model railroad. So it's not about how much the engines can pull, it's about how much physics will permit, and we definitely pushed physics to their limit. So if you wonder why your model train is pulling more than usual, it's because we were out here doing the research.